Hey everybody, welcome back to Floor Plan Friday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. This month we're going to talk and focus on the Elkmont plan, which is the November plan of the month. The Elkmont is inspired from the old Elkmont campground in the Great Smoky Mountain National Park. One of my favorite designs, this particular plan just really has just about everything that you would need. It's about 1,350 square feet of really efficient space. It's got 832 square feet on the main. It's got a master suite main with a spacious walk-in closet and master bath. It's got a good spacious laundry room with an entry access out onto a covered entry, which can be either a front or a rear access. And then the one thing I love about this plan is the corner fireplace, which is really heat efficient. Also, it's space efficient because you've got a great room or living room kitchen combo. You don't have a traditional dining room, so we saved some square footage and created a living room kitchen combo where most of your guests will be here in this living room, and you'll be able to communicate and talk to your guests and talk to your kids while you're cooking. And then you've got some bar stools at this big center island. So it takes away that traditional dining room and just makes a more space efficient design. The second floor plan has a upstairs with a guest bedroom, a guest bath, and then a loft overlooking the living room, which could easily be a third bedroom. So a very efficient space in this particular design. And I love the exterior floor plan. You can go check out the website at stonemill.com and go to our floor plan section and look at this particular design in the virtual rendering. This is what I would consider to be the rear elevation, the rear entry elevation, where you've got your access into your laundry room. This is a great access if you're coming out from the farm or from the lake and you want to kick off your shoes and come into the house through the mudroom laundry room. And then as we move around the floor plan, you can see it's got a front screen porch off of the master bedroom, which is great if you want to go and watch the sunrise with a cup of coffee. You've got your living room access, and then I love the porch square footage on this with the wraparound porch on the left. It's be great for a grilling porch off the kitchen or a hot tub area if this was going to be a rental. And then this is just a traditional design with the gable dormers upstairs in the front. Looks like it should have been in the Cades Cove Great Smoky Mountain National Park, which is where it was inspired from, just an old traditional design. With a corner fireplace, you could do a wood stove if you wanted to, just a really efficient floor plan to choose. So check this out on our website at stonemill.com. Feel free if you have questions about this design or if you would like to talk about modifications to this design, feel free to call your sales consultant anytime at our office. And hopefully this has been helpful. We appreciate you joining us for Floor Plan Friday. We look forward to you joining us next month for more Floor Plan Friday. Until then, as always, stay safe and healthy and take care.